Have you ever wondered why memorizing the Quran seems like a daunting task? The Quran, with its 6,236 verses, may seem like an immense mountain to climb. But every journey begins with a single step. And today we dive into the steps that make this journey not only achievable, but also enriching and rewarding. Step 1. Understand the importance. Realize the significance of this task. The Quran is not just any book, it's a guide, a manual for life. Each verse holds profound wisdom and lessons. When you commit it to memory, you're not just storing words, but you're internalizing a divine message. Step 2. Set a routine. Consistency is key in any form of learning, and memorizing the Quran is no different. Establish a daily routine, whether it's in the serene quiet of the early morning or the peaceful silence of late night. Find a time that works best for you and stick to it. Step 3. Start small. Begin with shorter surahs. Their manageable length will not overwhelm you, and you'll gain confidence as you successfully memorize them. Gradually work your way up to the longer ones. Step 4. Use repetition. This is a proven technique in memorization. Repeat each verse, each surah, multiple times until you have it firmly embedded in your memory. Step 5. Understand the meaning. Take time to understand what the verses mean. Comprehension aids memorization. You'll find it easier to remember verses when you understand their significance. Step 6. Review regularly. Regular review is crucial. It reinforces your memory and helps you retain what you've learned. Make it a habit to review previously memorized verses before starting new ones. Step 7. Seek guidance. Find a mentor or join a study group. They can provide invaluable guidance, support, and motivation. Remember, this journey is not meant to be taken alone. To summarize, memorizing the Quran, though a challenging task, becomes achievable when broken down into clear, manageable steps. Understanding the importance of the task sets the foundation. Setting a routine and starting small paves the path. Incorporating techniques such as repetition, comprehension, and regular review aids the process, and seeking guidance provides support along the journey. Remember, the journey of memorizing the Quran is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about how quickly you can memorize, but how well you can retain and understand the divine message. Always take it at a pace that suits you, and remember, each verse memorized is a step closer to the summit of this beautiful mountain. So embark on this journey with patience, persistence, and positivity. Happy memorizing.